Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have shown extreme swings yesterday. A good bullish move with the PPI data and then a drop with the news out there. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect it to rise from here, or are we going to look forward to another bearish day? Which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Till the time I come up with my next analysis before the US cash session. So do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start first. We'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end and listen to it carefully. On the hourly charts first. Now, whatsoever it is done, US 100, that is NASDAQ 100, failed to breach below 11,700. So this is for sure that only if it trades below 11,700, I will call it bearish. Also look at this on the downside. On the upside, it is failing to sustain now above 11,900 today, and that is why it indicates that 11,800 to 900 should be a caution zone for us. Below 800 certainly you can sell, but then expect 11,750, 11,700 as the major support. Only below 700 you can consider this as bearish. On the upside, trading above 11,900, expect 11,950 and 12,000 levels. These two levels are important. Beyond 12,000, it is going to fly high, achieve higher highs there till towards 12,150 levels. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic rising from bottom there. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking forward to a conversion there. The RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, look at the performance. See, it is breaching the previous highs there for last two candles, indicating little reversal. Yes, if it trades about 11,870, you can expect 11,900, and then beyond that it can continue with the bullish momentum. And yes, you can try to initiate a buy position at 11,870 levels, but then expect 11,900 as the major resistance, 11,920 as next, and then 11,950, 12,000 levels to be seen there. Now see, also on the 2-hour chart, it is giving you higher lows. That is the most important part. Only sell position I will recommend is below 11,800. Below that 11,750, 700 will come into rescue. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD on the 2-hour charts is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking upwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, this is probably signaling a reversal here. It may close here, and probably the next candle should again take it on the upside. That is my expectation, because this is probably signaling a reversal. Why? See, the last two candles are increasing body size, and now this doji, and hence once it trades above 11,900, consider this as a reversal and it is going to rise again. Hence you need to be cautious there. On the downside, below 11,800, it may resume the bearish move again. Directional movement bullish here. It is trying to converge it little. Stochastic is again crossing over for a bullish move. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is trading near to the highs. So look at the MACD. It is still looking downwards. It is still divergent. Probable conversion from here needs an extra push from downside. So on the 3-hour charts, it is showing a reversal. I'll wait for a confirmation on all the charts though. Look at the 4-hour charts. The body size is diminishing. And yes, if you see it trading above 11,900, probably the next candle you can expect it to rise again. Yes, you can buy there at 11,900 and expect it to rise. Below 11,800, certainly you can remain short. The next candle will again try to take it further down for 11,750, 700 levels. So do not trade between 11,800, 900. This is very clear directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking downwards here on the 4-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and it's bearish. See the increasing size of the candle. Probably right now the slope is not very much there, indicating that it is trading sideways, you can say, and that is why we can see smaller candles. RSI trading near to the overbought levels. Now look at the daily charts. On daily charts, see, my worry is the body size of the previous candle. There is a long wick out there and the body size is half the complete move. Any which ways, first Yes, you can buy there at 11,870. However, expect 11,900, 950, 12,000 levels to provide a support. It can limit itself to the lows of the previous highs, and hence, yes, there is a possibility for it to rise, but then you need to trade as per the levels. At the same time, on the downside, look at these three candles perfectly getting the support at 11,750, 740 zone, and then 11,700, only below which you can consider this as bearish. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic is still overbought on the daily charts, which indicate that there is a possible drop to be expected. The MACD is divergent and it is still bullish here, it is still in green. The RSI trading flat near to the highs. Considering this, sell at 11,800, buy at 11,900, or rather I will say 11,870 itself you can buy. For these 70 points, do not trade below 11,800. Remember, till 11,700, do not consider this as bearish. Only below 11,700, we can see another round of good drop, which may take it till towards 11,660, 11,600, and below that, a crash should follow. On the upside, yes, there is a possibility for it to fly till towards 12,000, 12,050 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Those who want to learn this art of trading profitably can join my 17th mentorship batch, which is the last mentorship batch for this year. And joining this session will definitely give you enough confidence so that you can trade profitably for next year. So begin your new year with bang, when confidence and strategies and tools in hand to profit. You can join my sessions starting on 28th of November. Where to reach out to me for details? You can find out the home page of my YouTube channel, where in the about section of the channel you will find the description, and in that you will find my email IDs and my telegram IDs. See why I am giving you that much of details? Because there are a lot many fraudsters and scamsters available online copying the name, imposing as me. So you can just directly reach out to the IDs mentioned in the channel and video description only. Now look at the daily charts. Before we proceed for daily charts on Dow Jones, let's have a look at the hourly charts. Also, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel and definitely trade profitably from there. Now let's have a look at the signals chart here. You will find that candlestick charts on the Dow Jones, you will find that on the hourly charts, it is creating higher base is there. Yes, it tried to reach 33,400, went till towards 33,300. Also look at this, it is giving you lower highs there, and hence any breakout beyond this zone at 33,600 levels should be considered good. Rather, I will say 33,650 levels should be considered good, as the good rise for 33,700, 33,800 the next major resistance, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Above 33,800, consider this for 34,000 and plus levels. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic looking upwards, entering into overbought levels. MACD is on the verge of a crossover here for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, the candle has just started. Now see this, higher lows, higher highs. Previous candle did achieve a high but failed to sustain. Possibility that beyond 33,560 levels, you can expect a little rise for 33,620, and then 33,650 levels. Beyond that, 33,700, 800 levels can be seen. See, these levels at 33,700 are very important. Hence, you need to be stay cautious of these. I also look at the upside. This time yesterday, it breached the highs at 34,000 for once, failing to sustain. We have seen a good drop. Yes, it can attempt again to break those levels, as it is still trying to trade in this box. Now look at the directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is flat, trying to rise. The MACD is bearish here, it can converge. The RSI is flat again. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. This can possibly indicate a reversal. Look at the body size is diminishing, and hence once it trades beyond this zone, you can buy there. See, I'll wait for it to break past 33,580 now. Beyond that, certainly you can consider that as a little bullish. Then you can expect 33,620, 650, 700 and plus levels. So yes, rather than 560, buy at 33,580 and expect it to rise. On the downside, sell there at 33,500, expect 33,450 as the major support. 33,400 definitely very good support. So see, this zone at 33,400 and 300 is going to provide very good support for US30 for any downward move. Directional movement modestly bearish, stochastic trading flat. MACD is still divergent and bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, likewise, can be considered for a reversal. If it breaks past 33,580 levels, you can expect 620, 650, 700, and then it is going to fly high again. Hence, you can take your positions accordingly. But at the same time, one must not forget that there is a support here at 33,400, breaking below which you can expect 33,200 and below levels, as there is a lot much of ground to be covered on the downside. Now see this previous move here, it broke from here, a flyer there, but then it has completed the journey till here again. So a journey is completed. Now probably whichever direction it breaks, certainly a stronger move can be expected. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is still increasing in size here, indicating increasing bearishness. The RSI is trading comfortable there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we have seen only swings in last 3 days. Now see here, once it breaks past 33,600, yes, you can look forward to a little rise. And then why? Because see, the body size is certainly diminished. Also, we have seen a good swings here. See, a higher side, slightly higher highs, slightly lower lows, and if you connect the dots, probably it is looking forward to somewhere here at 33,800 levels. Beyond that, certainly it is going to fly high. So, and yes, the direction movement is bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is still in green. It is waiting for it to converge crossover. It has been long since on the daily chart it is not converged. RSI trading near to the highs. So also remember, trading below 33 500 may bring it to 450 400, and then below that 33 250 200 levels can also be seen. This may bring you a stronger fall because a couple of red candles with the good swings. And yes, if it breaches on the downside, certainly it will pull it further down. It will pull with the gravity and it can go drop there. And at the same time, trading above this zone at 36,620, certainly you can expect further more rise. So buy at 33,580, but then expect 33,600 620 zone to provide a little resistance. Those who want to trade safe should only enter at 33,620, then expect 33,650 700 800 levels to be seen. Beyond 800, it is going to fly high for 33,920 34,000 levels. On the downside, sell there at 33,500, expect 450 400 as the first support, 300 250 as the next support, and below that it is going to break strongly on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.